In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase values by a percentage in Excel. This handy skill can be a game changer for managing budgets, forecasting, and analyzing data across both personal and professional spheres. So whether you're looking to give yourself a better understanding of financial growth or need to apply this technique for work-related tasks, you've come to the right place. First off, we need to access Microsoft's suite of productivity tools. Head over to the official free Microsoft 365 online website, which offers free access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. It's a fantastic resource for those who need these tools but might not have access to the desktop versions. Once you're there, you will be prompted to sign in. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. It's straightforward and free. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email. Type in the email associated with your Microsoft account. If you've forgotten which email you've used before, now might be a good time to dig through your memory or your email accounts to find the right one. Having entered your email, click Next. You'll then need to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process, which might include entering your password and possibly going through a two-factor authentication process for added security. For the purpose of today's tutorial, I will use an example to walk you through the process step by step. We'll pretend we're working on a document that already has some data we want to manipulate. After signing in and opening your document in Excel Online, look for a cell where you want the increased value to appear. This is where we're going to apply our magic formula. Let's imagine you have a value in cell D2 that you want to increase by 10%. Click on an empty cell where you want the boosted number to show up. It's important to choose a location that doesn't interfere with any other data you have in your spreadsheet. Now click on the cell that contains the value you wish to increase. For our example, let's say it's cell D2. After selecting D2, we're going to use a simple formula to calculate the increased value. Type in =D2 asterisk 1 into your selected cell and then press enter. What this formula does is multiply the original value in cell D2 by 1.1. In percentages, 1.1 equates to 110%, which means you've essentially calculated a 10% increase on the original number. So if the original value was, say, $100, using this formula in another cell would show $110 after you press enter, indicating a 10% increase. Keep in mind the 1.1 in the formula represents the original value plus the 10% increase. If you wanted to increase the value by 20%, for instance, you would use 1.2 comma and so on. This formula is incredibly versatile and can be adapted to various scenarios. For example, if you're working with discounts, price hikes, or any scenario where values need adjusting by a certain percentage, this method can save you a lot of time and effort. And just like that, you've learned how to increase a value by a set percentage in Excel. This technique is one of those essential skills that can make handling data much more efficient. Remember, practice makes perfect. So I encourage you to try out this formula with different numbers and scenarios to get comfortable with it. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this lesson helps you manage your data more effectively and unlocks new possibilities for your projects or financial management strategies. Keep experimenting, and you'll be amazed at how Excel's functionality can bolster your data manipulation skills.